In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reuse designs in Canva. Reusing a design is a simple way to save time, keep your branding consistent, and avoid starting from scratch every time. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can safely duplicate a design and work on a fresh copy without touching the original. Start on your main Canva dashboard. This is the home screen you see when you open Canva. On the left-hand side, look for the navigation panel and click on Projects. Projects is where Canva stores all your work, your designs, folders, and any files you've organized. Once you're in Projects, you'll see your designs laid out. You can scroll through or use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of items. Find the design you want to reuse, then move your mouse over it. When you hover over a design, a small three-dot icon appears. This is the More Options menu. Go ahead and click that three-dot icon. From the menu that opens, choose Create a Copy. Canva will instantly duplicate the design for you. This new copy is separate from the original, so you can edit it freely without changing the first version. You'll usually see the copied design appear right next to the original in your projects. It may include the word copy in the title so you can tell them apart at a glance. The key benefit here is peace of mind. Anything you adjust, swap out, or delete in the copy won't affect the original design you worked so hard on. That means you can experiment with colors, text, and layouts, or tailor the design for a new campaign, a different audience, or a seasonal update, all while keeping your original intact. If you're working with a team, this approach is also helpful for versioning. You can keep the original as your master design and let collaborators work in their own duplicates. If you don't see the three-dot icon right away, make sure your cursor is hovering directly over the thumbnail of the design. The option shows up only when you hover. Once the copy is created, you can open it and start editing just as you would any other design. That's all there is to it. From the dashboard to projects, hover your design, click the three dots, and select Create a Copy. With this quick workflow, you'll reuse designs confidently, move faster, and keep your original files safe every time.